Hi guys! In this video, you can learn how to set up a new email account on Gmail. So first you need to open your Gmail application. Then you can see now the Gmail application and click the profile at the upper right corner and click add another account. Then choose what you want to create on Gmail. If you don't have an email account on Google, just click create account and fill all the information needed to create an Gmail account. And that's it. That's how to set up a new email account on Gmail. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.